Hi guys, welcome back. Last time I showed you how we made this really cute binder, and today I'm going to show you how you can cover it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this one off of here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cover our binder with some fabric. The first thing you're going to need to do is get yourself some glue. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and use this crazy glue. Let me move you over here so you can see. Alright, and you want to take your binder, go to the end, and measure it. And make sure you have enough fabric to make sure you've cut it big enough. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and put some of this crazy glue right on here. And then I'm going to stick it right on the fabric. I didn't have it up far enough. Let me try that again. Put some more on there. Alright, now I've got the fabric on there. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the binding edge. Wrap that fabric over. Don't let your finger get stuck on there because it'll come right through the fabric and stick your finger. Alright, and then we're going to do the same thing to this one. And I'm using crazy glue because it sticks pretty quickly. Alright, now I'm going to take out my folders so I can work here. Alright, so now I want to cut up here. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm trying to hold it up here and it keeps moving on me. See how that's going to fold up there like that? That's what you want. Alright, now I'm going to cut this right here at the corner to meet up with that, and then this part I'm going to cut completely out. Alright, then I'm going to just put some, well, first I want to measure it, make sure I got it the right. Yeah, I just need to trim off that little bit of fray. Now you can use some liquid stitch on your frays if you are worried about them having frays before you do that, but you have to do it before you do it. Alright, just put some on there, and you're going to just repeat the process again. Remember not to get your fingers caught up on the glue, because it will stick to your fingers. Alright, and don't glue your flap shut either. Double check that. Make sure your pocket still opens, and this one's a little bit long, so I'm going to have to trim that a little bit. Alright, so now, here is an option that you can do with this binder. Okay, we can take this here, cut it a little bit. Fold our binder. Okay, take a little bit more off of here. And now you're going to fold this material in half and make a binder clip like that. Okay? So, fold that over like that so I know what I'm doing. Make sure when you're gluing it, you're not gluing it to anything it's going to stick to that's important, because the glue will stick very quickly like it just did there. Alright, trim off that little edge. Any fraggles there, get rid of them. Right, and then you have a little binder clip. Now you can use some Velcro underneath of there, you know, where your binder will actually shut like that. Okay, but we're going to do one more thing because I think it would be cute. We're going to take some fabric, okay, and we're going to go ahead and cut it down about 1/2 of an inch, and we're going to go a little bit longer than we need to. Now you need some liquid stitch. Alright, here's some liquid stitch. As soon as I can get it to come out, there'll be some liquid stitch. Oh, there we go. Alright, so liquid stitch is just basically like a glue that glues fabric together so that you don't have to actually use the sewing machine. Alright, now we're going to fold 1/3 into 1/3, much like we did when we did the curtains. Alright, now I'm just flattening it together with my hands. Now I'm going to take scissors and cut off the ends. And that should be long enough. Alright. Now, so that our binder actually looks like a bag, we're going to glue this on here and on here. Make sure the seam is on the inside. Glue this here, right here, and then glue this one here. Okay, keep it flat right there. Now you're going to put a piece of Velcro there, and you have a book bag purse binder, whatever you want to call it. All right, so now we just need to get some Velcro. All right, now I have some Velcro, so I need to measure where I want it to be cut. Cut it there, and since this is an end piece, I'm going to cut it on both ends. All right, so we got little frays over here again. Just trim those off. I'm going to put a tiny bit of liquid stitch on there because I'm tired of seeing them fray. A little more than I wanted to come out, but that's okay. I'll just use the leftover on the ends. Alright, so now you have the Velcro. I'm going to put it on with crazy glue just because it'll hold it a little bit better than this will, and it'll do a little bit quicker. Well, it may hold it better if I can get it on there before it dries. I'm going to add a little bit more. I don't think I'm going to quite make it, and I'm going to try and put it on the right way. There we go. Now I'm just using the pliers because I don't want to use my fingers to make sure that I get it good and tacked down into that fabric. Alright, let's see where it's going to go, and then we'll put some right along there. Well, we're going to have to let it dry, but you get the gist of it. Now you could probably use some hot glue too if you wanted to. Just hot glue gets to be gawky. Alright, now all that's going to dry. I'm going to put everything back in here and we'll see it finished. Alright guys, so there it is.